Let me introduce how to use Elementor website builder from scratch. Elementor is not difficult to use, but it is necessary to clearly understand the menus. In my point of view, it is the best website builder plugins on WordPress. Let's get started with installation. Go to the plugin menu and click the Add New button. Search for Elementor. Install and activate Elementor website builder. What a popular plugin, as you can see, more than 5 million active users. Let me install an add-on plugin for the Elementor, Premium Add-ons for Elementor. Search for Premium Add-ons. Install and activate Premium Add-ons for Elementor. Go to the Page menu and move the mouse pointer over the page you want to edit. Click the Edit with Elementor link to edit the page. Or click the Edit link to go to the Page Edit screen. Then click the Edit with Elementor button on the upper left corner. Take a look at the screen layout. The left sidebar is the Elementor menu. The preview screen is on the right. There are two icons at the top left and right. The icon menu on the left is the Elementor global menu, and the icon on the right is the main menu where you can add elements. Let's take a look at Next menu. When you click View Page, you will be taken to the front-end website. If you don't want to exit from the Edit screen, click with Ctrl key to view it in a new tab. Finder is a simple search menu. A search for attraction will find pages containing this word. When click, move to a page that contain a search keyword. Exit to Dashboard, move to the Page Edit on WordPress dashboard. To return to Elementor, press the Edit with Elementor button in the center. It will go back to the Elementor. The Theme Builder menu is only available in the Pro version. User Preferences is an option to modify the settings of the Elementor Edit screen. The Lightbox option at the bottom is also an option only for Pro version. The Editing Handles option adds a new menu to the section main menu. You can see the duplicate icon has been added. Panel Width is a menu that adjusts the width of the left Elementor menu sidebar. UI is the option for a light or dark mode skin. Let's take a look at the Site Settings menu. Click Global Colors. Let me show you before I explain. It seems to be more efficient. Click the Add Color button to add 4 colors. Let me set NEW for the prefix. Go to the Color Hunt site, and add 4 colors from one color palette. Copy the color code. Click on the color picker box. Paste the copied color code. Add the other colors in the same way. Update it. Close the Site Settings screen. Click the Edit icon in the Buttons section. Go to the Styles tab. When you mouse over the globe icon on the left side of the color, Neve primary accent shows. This is to show that the specified color is specified in the Neve theme. Click on it and change it to the new primary color we added. Hover the globe again and you will see that it has changed to new primary. When creating a site, create a color palette from global colors in advance like this. If you change it like this, you can keep the site color consistency. Go to the Hover tab and change the hover color as well. Do text color in the same way. Click the Styles tab. The current text color is default. Click to change it to new one. The next topic is the Global Fonts menu. The font is similar to the color setting. Click the Add Style button to add 3 fonts. Click the Edit button to set the font family. Mix the name of the font to match the font family you have set. The options at the bottom of the font family can be modified when necessary. Select the text. Click the Styles tab. Click the globe icon in the typography. The fonts we set are displayed. It has been added to the list. Let's change the description text as well. To change the font size, click the Edit button and change the font size. Choose typography. You can change the default settings for body and H tags. Let me show you how to change the H1 tag. Change the HTML tag of the text to H1. It changes to the color we set. Typography depends on the theme. You should always know which CSS is applied currently. You can also change global settings for buttons and images. Press the button. Change the text and background color. Add a button element. The button is created with the changed settings. In case of image, let me change the edge roundness. Change the border radius to 5 px. Then add an image. As you can see, the border radius is set to 5 now. The site identity is the WordPress site title and logo favicon settings. You don't need to do it in Elementor. Do it WordPress dashboard settings menu. In the layout settings, you can set the width of the content. It is currently set to 1140 pixels. I do not recommend change this setting if you are not a CSS publisher. When you check the content width in the front end, We can see it is 1140 pixels. Lightbox and custom CSS are options for the Pro version. Additional settings go to the Elementor Preferences menu on the dashboard.